Frustrated.
Frightened.
Lonely.
Depressed.
Out of control.
The breaking news, stay at home. That is the order tonight from 4 state governors.
Mental health is a big thing right now, especially because of COVID. COVID really made an impact in our lives.
It really affected our students in a lot of different ways. Just challenges. Mentally and emotionally, our students had to deal with.
Should I log into class or play this video game or something? Or
students had to go to school via their computers and their Chromebooks. They often didn't have anybody to turn to for assistance.
I was very overwhelmed, stressed out, how I was going to pass my next year.
When I think about the school, I think like it's a meeting space, it's a safe space for students, and they didn't have that. I think that was the catalyst of how MindBreeze, the app, came about.
So my biggest recommendation when they were talking about MindBreeze was to build an app that they would themselves use it.
What ideas would you guys have for mental health? I didn't really know much about it. That's why I was also intrigued.
They're growing, they're learning, so understanding their mental health and getting support for their mental health is extremely important.
I think it's important for teenagers to worry about their mental health. It affects how they treat others.
You're gonna struggle with your academics as well, especially if it's a high priority.
You take your brain with you everywhere, to work, to school, at home. It's what keeps you going in life.
Everything from the music to the content to how the information was all laid out was developed by the students.
If it was made by older people, those older people wouldn't really have a sense of idea what it is to be in this day and age in high school.
We created small animations.
Learning how to code was really fun for me. It wasn't too hard.
Illustrations,
like making audio,
a lot of digital stuff.
HTML and CSS. Designing.
It was a lot of fun.
I would forget sometimes and I'd just close my Chromebook and everything would be deleted.
There were a lot of walls to break down, but we got it done.
Bringing in partners that would be able to collaborate with our students on the content that was going in to MindBreeze, to give it the credibility and be able to explore some of the feelings that they were feeling and being able to vocalize that. And I think that was integral in the MindBreeze app.
All of it was made possible through our partnership with High School Inc. because through them we were able to work with students during the school day. They were getting class credit for the New Media Academy.
So communicating with the adults in the room, it was definitely teamwork and communication that really helped me feel comforted personally.
And the fact that they're able to use the stress that they have in their life and transform it into beautiful art, amazing app functionality, stories, this beautiful interactive experience has been really inspirational to me.
So do I just start?
Yeah.
Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and take deep, slow breaths. When you think of your happy place, what place comes to mind?
My personal favorite, there's a bunch of characters you can choose from, a bunch of different emotions. You click on that emotion, and it can give you tips, it could give you advice.
Music is very helpful to people, like especially young people when they're feeling stressed, because it's like they don't have to talk to people.
And also that we also made it from scratch, so yeah.
What's your favorite part of the app?
Personally, I like the art of it. You know, like everyone had like their own creative designs.
I think the idea of MindBreeze refreshed me a lot. It definitely just gave the sense that it was just creativity in the end.
Turn the music back on, you kind of killed the vibe.
Technology is part of our everyday life. We all use technology. So we have to give mindfulness and tools for mental health through the power of technology.
I envision it as being a resource that's available at all times for all students that they can use whenever they need it.
They have the knowledge that it was made by someone just like them.
And we really hope that we're helping to be part of this new generation of young people who are destigmatizing mental health conversations and issues and are really helping each other learn and grow together.
Happy.
Accepted.
Loved.
I'm strong.
Hopeful.